The Power of Prevention is a one-day opportunity for adults in our community and their teenagers to come and get really high quality substance use prevention information. It's all about helping kids avoid substances or get help if they're struggling with substances, and we package all the information up in small workshops, and this year with a really fun play to kick it off. Participants can expect when they arrive to the Scituate Center for the Performing Arts on Sunday, November 3rd, is a really casual check-in process. If people have little ones that they want to drop off in our free childcare, that's going to be provided by the Scituate Recreation Department. But basically you come in, you take a seat in the Performing Arts Center, and the show will start at 1 p.m. The show is called Running on E, and it features 4 actors who are in recovery from substance use disorder, and they're going to act out a story about high school life, what it's really like, and how different kinds of people respond to different kinds of situations and pressures. And then we have our breakout workshops. We'll have 2 options for kids and 3 options for adults to choose from. The first option is presented by a director from Boston Children's Hospital. Her name is Shannon Mountain Ray. She's a licensed clinical social worker who runs an integration program that they offer now where primary care practices, so pediatric offices, can have training and staff to help their staff members identify kids and teenagers who have substance-related problems. Another workshop available for parents is called Building Protective Factors. Greg Ranieri, who is the co-chair of Scituate FACTS along with me, he's also the department chair of Health and Wellness for Scituate Public Schools. He's going to lead this new workshop, we haven't offered it before, where parents and caregivers of children of many ages, so this is really open to families that have kids ages 3 to 17, and based on who's there during the interactive workshop, he'll chunk it out, and there will actually be checklists in here. We're going to learn in this workshop how we can not just focus on the things we don't want, right, and about drugs and risks and health harms, but what we do want and what are the specific things we can checklist. They're called protective factors. Does my child have this set of protective factors in his or her life that can help buffer them against risk? That's the concept, right? It's a scale, if you will. So it's not just about reducing risk, but it's also about building protection. Another workshop for parents is called Parenting the Teen Years. This is a repeat workshop. We've offered a version of this for the past 2 years, and it's led by Steve McGuire. Mr. McGuire, the inimitable workshop facilitator. He's a beloved science teacher at Scituate High School. Everybody participates. He makes it fun and easy. And this workshop will be about, what's it really like, right? We've got all the baby books and the early childhood books, and we know what to do with the different developmental stages, and then you get a teenager and all the support groups and the books. Parents can fall off a cliff sometimes, so this is about what do I do when situations arise anyway. We realize kids, our kids are really busy, they work really hard in school and have all these things going on outside of school, so they may not be all that excited about attending a prevention conference with their parents. So we've had some community members step forward with ideas to incentivize 7th through 12th graders to attend the Power of Prevention. One thing for high school students is they are all welcome to volunteer at the event. We will have a Scituate High School student volunteer check-in table in the lobby. So they just need to register for the Power of Prevention, volunteers, and then check in that day. We'll give them jobs to do. Another way to incentivize teenagers was offered by a volunteer from South Shore Peer Recovery, wanted to provide a raffle. So we're pretty psyched to say that all students who attend the entire event, so 1 to 4 on Sunday, November 3rd, all students that attend for the whole time will receive a raffle ticket to win a brand new pair of Apple earbuds. I want parents and the other adult community members, so grandparents and pediatricians and coaches, people that work with kids, I want them to attend and feel like it was really worthwhile. Our experience has been in the 2 years of running the Power of Prevention is that the content is exceptional, that people that attend, including lots of dads that attend the Power of Prevention, really find that the workshops were tailored to them, that it was not a repeat of information that they already know, that they're going to feel empowered with some new skills and information, and hopeful. It's not all doom and gloom, and that's really what this is about. It's filling in the gap of information that we all have with some real high quality tools and resources, and I think it's really very positive. I think it's inspiring, and I hope that people walk away with that. I think they will.